Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE V40 Pro, and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. And simply for checking, you can use mobile data or Wi-Fi. But if you will decide to download the update, I highly recommend switching to the Wi-Fi so you can avoid some charges. So we've got the internet connection, so we can open the settings. Right here, we have to scroll all the way down to find the system, which is right here, and then tap on System Update at the top. Your device will ask you about the permission to make and manage phone calls, so just allow it. And right here, you will be able to tap on check for updates or something like that. And your device will check for the updates. You can meet two different scenarios. This is the one where your device will find the update. As you can see, in my case, I've got the available one. We've got the information about it. So, for example, the version size, release date, what kind of fixes it contains. And all you have to do is to simply tap on download. And the other scenario, the second one, is where your device is actually up to date and there's nothing to download. Of course, your device will show you relevant information about it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.